to the Fyotyals. This is Ever. So I'm back, guys, after more than a year from my last video. Taon-taon na jud ay.
Ugma, balik ko. Hi, Kadul. Check-in time. Bye. Bye.
This was the day of my flight, so it's time to say goodbye, leaving my second home for a decade and embarking a new journey from an OFW in Dubai, UAE, into an international student in Perth, Western Australia. Ang aerial view at night sa Dubai, di man nice kayo. Sumamis dyan din ako as in. Mao na ang Burj Khalifa, tallest tower in the world. Kung dinner, mga onata guys, wow, super lamig dyan as in. Uy, good morning! Sunshine through my window. Then share na ko guys, since I had a 9 hours layover sa Singapore, so few days before my flight, nag-book ko sa Singapore sa ilang free city tour. So daghan kay options dito. So ako na ibutang sa description ang link kung asa ko nagpabook sa mga tours nila. So sayang would kayo kung di na ko explore again ang Singapore na free raman jud. After almost 8 hours of flight, touchdown Singapore. So guys, tara ko sa Terminal 2 sa akong tour niya. So hello guys, I'm here in Changi Airport, Singapore. This is my first stop from Dubai and then Singapore to Bali the next day. My flight coming to Darwin, Australia. So I'm here in Terminal 2 waiting for the SkyTrain going to Terminal 3 for my free tour in Singapore.
I assume that all of you have done the SG arrival card. Thank you very much. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to cross over the immigration offices.
So let's go. Muna siya ang free city tour bus sa Singapore. Free residency. So here we go.
Before we start this tour, let me wish you Selamat Datang ke Singapura, which means welcome to Singapore in our national language. My name is Ayu, and I'm your tour guide for the next 2.5 hours. Plus minus, we should be back to the airport, the 3 terminals, by 2:30, 2:35. Yeah, because I believe some of you have an earlier flight to catch. All right. Okay. So how's everyone? Yeah. Are you enjoying yourself in transit in Changi? Yes, yeah, there's a lot of facilities in there. Live in high-rise apartments like this because we actually adopt the British English. We call this the flats. To your left, yeah, the body of water right below us. This is called Marina Reservoir. Immigrant community, and we are now standing on the northern bank. And this is meant for the government use and public use. And that's why you see there is there. It's called the Anderson Bridge, and this happens to be the last bridge built by the British, and that was back in the 1930s. Yep. All right. So before.
So, Uwan Israel. Oh, enjoy gihapon. Nakoy new friend. Si Maymay. Hi. Tuyok na to.
ug nahuman na jud ang akong free city tour bus sa Singapore. Grabe na lingaw jud ko and bahala nag-uwan padayon jud gyapon. And I met new friends as well. So karon padayon na ta sa akong next flight going to Bali, Indonesia. So stay tuned and see you on my next vlog. So I would have a 24 hours layover there. Thank you for watching guys and see ya on my next vlog.